everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Crafter's Companion. It's only a little haul, but I just thought, you know, I like to share what I got, and this kind of went with something that was in my previous haul, or my previous Crafter's Companion haul at least, which if you've watched that you probably can guess what it actually is. Anyway, enough of me waffling on, let's get it open and have a look. This is everything emptied out. First of all, this actually came free if you spent so much money. I think it was £20 or something like that. So obviously I did purchase this, but I did get it for free, and why not? I mean, alright, we may already be out near enough halfway through the year, but it was free and you still can colour it, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, good practice anyway. And I think that was about £20–25 when it came out. Now, in my previous Crafter's Companion haul, you'd have seen I'd actually purchased this die set, and I showed it to my friend, and she was like, oh my gosh, can you, if you place another order, could you get me one? And I was like, yeah, of course I will. So I got her this, and this was reduced to £13.99. Sadly, she couldn't get the deal like I got on mine, because I got the £13.99 plus 20% off at the time, but it's still a steal because it should be £35. So we're both actually going to be making these together. So she'll make some at her house and I'll make some here, and then we can swap and see what each other comes up with. So I'm excited to do that. And the reason for this haul was, in the previous haul I did say I forgot to get the stamps for that said die set. So let's see if we can find them. Yeah, so this is all of them. These was all reduced to £8.99 each. I think there was about 13, maybe £15 should be. So I've got all four of them. So you've got the months, days and occasions. Then you've got the memo cards, and then we've got the calendar, and then we've got make a list. I think the rest is actually no, it's not. No, I thought it was a mystery bag, because there was a mystery bag, and I'll show you what was in that mystery bag. But these was purchased separately. There was another die to make all these fancy edges, but unfortunately that was sold out. So I am a bit disappointed in that, but hopefully like they'll come back in and I can get them. But these were in the sale at £6 something each, I think. So yes, this will make this lovely cute little mini album. Didn't really need this because I've got so many spines and I can make the spines myself, but I thought, well, I like to have the full kits. So that's what we've got. And then we've got like these index, and I'm hoping I could use these index ones just on bigger pages. I'm hoping it like will just cut straight and I can cut with scissors, so I can use it on my other albums that I make. And then we've got the fancy die bits and stuff so to go with that. So yeah, that was that one. And then the rest of all this came in a mystery bag, which I cannot believe. So I mean, the price of these pens, I know I bought these pens are about £10–11 for these alone, and I think these are about £8 a set. So it's just crazy to get all this in this mystery bag. It's probably one of my favourite mystery bags I've had, to be honest. And then we've got some more of these watercolour tricolour pens. I've only actually got one watercolour pen, so now I've got 12 different colours now, so because it doesn't double up in this as far as I remember. I have got these pens, but these are colours you use a lot, especially the greys, the blue grey 1 and the blue grey 2. Definitely a blender you're always going to use, and the black you're always going to use. So these are colours I will use a lot, so I'm not bothered to have extras. Normally I would sell them or give them away, but I won't be with these. I will be keeping those. So we've got that free set, and then we've got the Tri-Blend pen in the classics, and it's blue turquoise blend. Again, I've got this pen because I've got the whole of the sets of the Tri-Blends, but these you cannot refill, so there's no harm in having the doubles. That will go in my pen box of doubles. And then we've got, oh gosh, some more pens as well. So wow, that is a lot of Spectrum Noir pens. So we've got the Sparkle Noir pens. I do have the clear ones. I'm not sure if I may even have this set again, but I love the sparkle pens. They're gorgeous. So how many is that pen wise? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of pens. Now I know like the clear ones are about £10, so I'm guessing they're probably going to be the same. So that's just this absolutely crazy. And then to get all these stamp sets as well. So the talking about stamps, let's get on with it. So we've got this one from Lee Holland, and it's Woodland Trail. I'm not sure if I've got this one. If not, I've got something very similar, and that's the stamp there and what you can do there. And then we've got Birds and Branches. So this is a nice little cute card, isn't it? It's like you can more or less make the card just with that stamp. It's so cute. Oh, it must be one of these where you do it in layers, I think, maybe. I'm not too sure. Because it's showing you the quick drying ink pads there, so I'm not sure if it is or not. I'll find out when I come to use it. And then we've got this Believe in Magic unicorn stamp. Again, I think I have this, but I can gift it, it's no problem. And then I've got this gorgeous butterfly stamp, which says welcome to the world. I could see that, putting that in a pop-up card. I really could. I feel like it's so nice. And the fact you get the die, I didn't realise it was stamp and die as well. Even better. And then obviously you've got all that, the sayings. It says, "Is nothing ever changed, there will be no butterflies." And then a beautiful stamp set. And this one I've been waiting to come into a mystery bag, just because I just don't know why I just didn't buy it. But I just didn't buy it. But this is the one Sassy and Classy I really liked. This one and the one where she's like sat in a big chair reading a book, which I'm not too sure I may even have that one. I don't know. But yeah, so that deal was £24, I think, for all of that. So how many items did you get? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. That's like crazy. It's just over £2 an item, which, excuse me guys, sorry my voice keeps going. These pens alone are around £2 something anyway, I think. So yeah, absolute steal. So that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and keep watching and subscribing to me. Comment. I love interacting with you all. I love getting to know you. I've made some really nice friends on here now, and I'm glad that people are coming back, revisiting my channel, and I hope you like what I do. So without further ado, I'm going to leave you to get on with the rest of your day, and I shall see you soon. Bye.